What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Just wanted to take a small moment and talk about doing your research. You always want to do your research. This is pertaining to anything, even a relationship. If a person jump into any type of relationship and you don't do no research on the person that you're about to jump into the relationship with, other than y'all look good together, they might have something to benefit what you got going on. They might pull you out the situation, or you might just say, I just like this person, but you haven't really did any homework. The same thing goes for a job. The same thing goes for starting a business. The same thing's going for being independent. We have to do our research, because if we do a little research on certain companies, on certain people, we'll see the pattern. We'll see what's going on. A tongue, a lie all the time, family. But the pattern, the way a person moves, it don't lie. Character doesn't lie. That's why it's always good to just do a little homework first before you jump into it and get your feelings tied up and get caught up, hurt, or whatever. But sometimes, though, even though you do some diligent homework, you still can get deceived by the enemy. It still might be one that pop up on you here and there. So you just have to be cautious. But honestly, I would say most definitely do your homework first before you jump into anything. I'm only stating this because just of life experiences and of things I have been seeing lately. We have to do our homework, family, with building our businesses, with being in relationships, with building new relationships for business. Look at the character. Judge the character. Don't listen to the tongue. The tongue might say some nice, shiny things. The tongue might, the hand might even put some gold on top of some on top of some dong, so that ain't no good. You know what I mean? So you have to be able to sit back and really say, okay, let me judge the situation. Let me check this person out. Let me check this out, because sometimes it's always an ulterior motive. You know what I mean? But you don't see it unless you do a little homework. So this morning, like I say, I was just up, had something on my mind, wanted to come through live. Been a minute since I actually went live, but just wanted to say, man, be cautious. We're about to enter a new year, so for those who summing up their year, getting ready to spend time with their loved ones, their families, doing things, getting ready to go on trips, be safe and do your homework. Hold on.